Medical terms, important medical terms, that is gastrologia, AGM, LLGM means होता है pain in stomach, pyroderma, skin infection with the pus formation, leukoderma, defective skin pigmentation, hysterodonia, pain in uterus, hysterectomy, excision of uterus, that is removal of uterus, nephrectomy, incision of kidney, adenoctomy, incision of gland, cholecystectomy, incision of gallbladder, and thyroidectomy, incision of thyroid gland, arthritis, inflammation of joints, bronchitis, inflammation of bronchi, carditis, inflammation of heart, cervicitis, inflammation of cervix, colitis, inflammation of colon, colpititis, inflammation of vagina, cystitis means inflammation of urinary blood. Medical term, enteritis, inflammation of intestine, gastritis, inflammation of stomach, glossitis, inflammation of tongue, hepatitis, inflammation of liver, laryngitis, inflammation of larynx, metritis, inflammation of uterus, myelitis, inflammation of spinal cord, nephritis, inflammation of kidney, pharyngitis, inflammation of pharynx, blepharitis, inflammation of eyelid, cholelithiasis, stone in a gallbladder, nephrolithiasis, stone in kidney, osteomalacia, softening of bone through the deficiency of calcium or vitamin D, adenoma, benign or malign tumor of glandular tissue, myoma, tumor of muscles, diplopia, double vision, thrombosis, formation of blood clot, pyromyotomy, incision of pyloric sphincter muscle, hydropia, fear of water, hydrophobia, that is fear of water, rabies in a human, rabies जब डॉग कट कर लेता है हमें, न्यूरोप्लास्टी, सर्जिकल रिपेयर ऑफ नर्व्स, प्लाइरोप्लास्टी, इंसिजन ऑफ प्लास्टिक पाइलोरस विद इन द पैसेज, हेमिप्लेजिया, पैरालिसिस ऑफ वन साइड ऑफ बॉडी, मेडिकल टर्म नेफ्रोटोसिस, डाउनवर्ड डिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ किडनी, एमेनोरहिया, absence of menstrual discharge, dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, leukorrhea, whitish vaginal discharge, that is leukorrhea, menorrhea, menstrual bleeding, hemorrhage, the escape of blood from vessels, arrhythmia, any deviation of normal rhythm of heart, and the arrhythmia, any deviation of normal rhythm of heart, diastasis, diminution of flow of the bile, homeostasis, arresting of bleeding, neurasthenia, nerve debility, cystotomy, surgical opening of made in a bladder, cystotomy, incision into the urinary bladder, hypertrophy, increase in size of tissue, hematuria, blood in urine.